Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. We can do that with Bloomberg's Matthew Griffin. Matthew, what are you looking at?
Well, Paul, the first stock on my screen this morning is S&P Global, the provider of bond ratings, other financial data, not having a good day. Shares currently down more than 7%. They gave a profit outlook for this year that missed estimates. They see adjusted earnings per share as much as $19.65. Analysts were looking for $20, but they may also be getting punished because of the context this report is landing in. Baird said there are a few soft spots in the results, in the guidance, but that the bid under their broader sector is unusually weak on concerns about disruption from AI. I mean, if you look over the last week or so, that's been the story driving markets. So potentially some concerns about that today. This stock now down about 21% year to date. That's ticker SPGI. And you've also got peers like NASDAQ and Moody's selling off this morning.
All right, good mover for us to start with. Now on to the next name, which has the best ticker, hands down, HOG.
Yes, so HOG, that's the ticker for Harley-Davidson, the motorcycle manufacturer. They've been sending investors on a bit of a roller coaster ride this morning. Shares were down as much as 15% pre-market, now trading roughly flat. And there really were some puts and takes here. They reported an unexpected drop in motorcycle shipments in their most recent quarter that was down 4% when analysts wanted a 22% increase. But then they said on their earnings call that they see shipments growing this year, kind of laid out some steps they're taking to improve the business. And I really think that shows some of the context for this company right now. They're dealing with tariffs, dealing with weak demand for some of their bikes, but also taking steps to, for example, repair relationships with their dealers. And it seems like investors are giving them the benefit of the doubt. Cool.
I could ride my Vespa scooter with the Harley-Davidson crowd. How do you think that would go over? Not so well.
It's a different look.
It's a different look. All right, Spotify.
Yes, Spotify, of course, Swedish company listed in the U.S. with ticker SPOT, up 18% and heading for its best day on record after the music streaming service reported record user growth in the most recent quarter. They added 38 million users to reach a total of 751 million, above analyst expectations. A couple things were behind that. Their Spotify Wrapped promotion, of course, telling you what music you listen to in the year, as well as an enhanced free tier for their business. Also really strong gross margins. Those grew to a record 33%. It's sort of an early win for new co-CEOs, Gustav Soderstrom and Alex Nordstrom, who took over at the top of the year. And it may be a bit of welcome good news. That stock's still down about 16% year to date on some of the weakness in tech, but certainly can't complain with the performance today.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.